Hi there, students. I've had a question about what is Jus Cogens. Well, this comes directly from Latin, and in Latin, Jus Cogens means a compelling law. Nowadays, they also call Jus Cogens a peremptory norm. Now, Jus Cogens is something that you find in international law. It's a fundamental a fundamental principle that is not open to challenge. It cannot be cancelled. So, Jus Cogens says that genocide is illegal. Genocide by a nation is something that countries cannot do. Piracy, where the pirates come and attack your ship, or slavery, or attacking a neighbouring country to take part of their land, or institutional torture. Okay? So these are fundamental, basic principles of international law. And any treaty, any deal between nations that is made is governed above this by Jus Cogens. So part of a treaty can be annulled, can be made not to exist because it breaks Jus Cogens. Okay? So a peremptory norm. Let's look at this word peremptory. In legal English, peremptory means that it's not open to challenge. You can't say, I don't accept that. It's automatically accepted. We can use peremptory as well as a posh word, meaning somebody who insists on immediate attention or immediate obedience, and they do this very brusquely, very loudly, very imperiously. You must pay attention to this, I guess because something is very important. Okay, so Jus Cogens, this is a part of international law that says that there are fundamental things that countries cannot do, that are illegal for countries to do. As I said, genocide, slavery, attacking neighbours, torture. But then the countries are going to argue what is piracy, what constitutes torture, etc. Okay? So, Jus Cogens, this is legal English. It's from Latin. It's really, really posh technical English. I guess you could use this in a really formal essay if you were talking about basic human rights or things like this. In an informal conversation in the pub, the person you're talking is going to say, what? What does that mean? I think you could probably say a fundamental law, a fundamental international law, something like that. Okay, so Jus Cogens, in Latin, a compelling law, but a fundamental principle of international law that cannot be broken or cancelled or repealed. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Jus Cogens.